Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I'm here to share more tickets or or more ticket booth tickets. I think that's I think that's what I'm going to say. so so yesterday I came on and I shared this with you all with the little pocket on the top and the Tim Holtz, right? So I love these so much that I created a couple more. They're the same size, but I used black cardstock, or I think this is 110 cardstock. And I used my Prima dolls. Now, you're wondering, how did she get these so small? Because usually Prima dolls are about 7 inches tall. Well, I purchased these planner stamps from Julie Nutting way back in the day. And sorry for the glare. Sorry for the glare. Sorry. So I'm going to take that away. So they're planner Julie Nutting dolls. So they're the perfect size for these ticket tags, I guess. And I fussy cut, and boy, was it hard to fussy cut the dresses and the boots. But I love this doll. I love this doll so much. And I just used papers from my stash. I colored up with these Copics from my stash. And that was it. I did use a tickets because they're the same size. That's right. I forgot that. Just added some ticket paper. It's just cute. I just love it. So, and then here's the other one. Oh, and then I also pop dot them up so they don't look so flat. So this one is pop dot as well on the tag. So isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, they were so much fun to do. I was crafting with my girlfriend Nada. And then I said, oh, let's try a thinner version. And so I used this ticket that I made the same time I made these tickets. And I love this trim that I used on it. It says hello. And then I also used a mason jar. And I think this is a stamped image, but I punched it out with a mason jar punch from EK Success. I think that's what I did. But I have several of these in my little container. I said, oh, let me put this on here. I think it's the perfect size. So I put the mason jar. I use a Sharpie, a silver Sharpie. For the cap, I used this little teeny tiny bow, satin bow from, I think this is from Walmart. I also pulled, where did my my little pearl came off right there. Oh well, I have to go find that and put it on there. I used a blue, I think I have several of these. Somebody had gifted me a whole bunch of them. I'm trying to use them up. Oh my goodness. But I was trying to bring down some of that light blue from up here, down here. Covered the background with just papers from my stash. Inked the edges with Distress ink. And this is so cool. I just love this. I love it. And it's so addicting. Oh my gosh. You just pull out a piece of paper and you trim it down the way you want to trim it down. You know, punch out the half moon pieces and the corners, and you have your own tickets. You don't need a die. But it's nice to have a die, don't get me wrong. But sometimes you just, you get an idea and you just run with it, right? You can make it any size you want. I could even make it, you know, bigger than this, but I like this size. Actually, I don't think I'd go any bigger, but this size is nice too. So this size, I think it is, let me get my ruler out here. It is 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. And then you score at 1 1/4. So it's the same concept, but a little thinner. And that is my make, our second round of these booth tickets from Coffee and Craft with Carol G. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Go and check out Carol. She has some great videos. She has a small channel, but I'm sure, people will love her style. I do. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.